friends. My name is Himanshu Kumar and my channel is Pratikya, which I want to come online today. I want to tell you some things so that you should listen and tell feedback how it felt and how I should come back. Please reply. So let's go on today topic currents and today topics other points, but sometimes are currents. Why is social distancing and why is stay home? Because nowadays every government has provides and announced COVID-19 schemes. First, Assam country is first robot at hospitals. That time not recall the name hospital, but mostly most of the state are scheme launch. Bihar not scheme launch for one scheme's launch. If you pick other yeah, at any area, just like for by road, on roads, pick the and charge for 200 and jail 6 months. But and next state in Maharashtra, in Delhi and other countries are sometime other countries are also schemes are available. UNA WHO $1.2 billion provides COVID-19. Nowadays 135 countries are affected COVID-19, but India largest population compared to 20 countries compared to one India. But because nowadays area in India is good way, but COVID-19 is increased by day. Pradhan Mantri has has announced has announced stay home, because you are not stay home, day by day increase COVID-19. But I I would some points are content, just like for if you are not stay home, then after 2 or 4 days increase COVID-19 and social distancing you are not plan, and after COVID-19 also increase. But my suggestion is every people's are every people's are social distancing and stay home and affected and decrease COVID-19 day by day. And nowadays every most of the country are social distancing, but India is social distancing also, stay home also, and lockdown also. One of world the first, India is first of country, is first lockdown, is first reaction and rules. But and compared to each India is good decisions and right times and good decision. Lockdown, without lockdown impossible COVID-19 decrease, because population are increased. USA also populations as compared to two one two or three states, but India is largest population of population in India. But and compared to China is developed country. but is COVID-19 day by day decrease after 70-80 days is totally lockdown, just like Beijing's. Everyone, no one COVID-19 because China is mentality is increased. COVID-19 is increased, but Beijing is not affected everyone peoples. Wuhan city fully locked down because if you not locked down and compared to other state just like for city Wuhan states in states is affected because India China already developed country because and useful other country is nowadays is $2 are provide WHO. Okay, just my points. And next point, time and tense and modern luxury verbs, but today I topic is modern luxury verbs. But firstly, definitions. It does not change according to numbers of persons. It does not change according to the person. It's allow first form of the verbs because modal one every times, not for present, past, future. Modal verb at a times for presents related, not past futures. P1s for every times usage. And these are modal verbs. Will, shall, would, could, can, could, may, might, must, should. Modal verb according to 11th, but use 13 modal auxiliary verbs, but only for modal and modal auxiliary verbs only for 10. Firstly, use of modal auxiliary verbs will shall and uses the first person will is used to show promise, just threats, strongs, and just like determination and willingness. And examples: I will kill you, determination and willingness, threats. And for determination, we will help you, and willingness, permission. And next examples for determination, we will you get our ambitions, and willingness, strong determinations. And next, I will see the Taj Mahal, just like for willingness, for examples. And next, first person shall, so future action only. And examples: I shall meet you tomorrow. And next, second person, third persons plus will, so future action only. And next, for examples, you will meet on Monday. Rohan will come to Bhagalpur next year. Just like for will after V1 come. And next, second person, third persons, shall, so, permission, threat, strong, and determination, and order. And next, shall, will, completed. And next point, can, could. Just like usage, can is present form of could. Can is present form of could, and could is past form of can, and could is past form of can, and next can is strong words, and could is positive words. But and next point, can and could are used for taking and going permissions. Can, could are used for taking and giving permissions. Can, could you open to the door? You can sit here. You can sit here. Just like for permissions.